Hey guys, what's up? V here. So today we're going to be checking out 3 cases from our friends over at Poetic for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. They did send these out to me. I do appreciate it. This company has been really great working with the channel, so I'd like to give a shout out to them. And please take this time to like, comment, subscribe. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. We have the first of 3 cases here. Poetic Spartan. Really good looking box. So usually they have their little signature orange and blue. This is what's special here. Got the silver and black. Always sharp. Check it out. Oh, pretty hefty. Oh wow. This is a nice case. It's one of the best looking cases I've seen them make. A little kickstand on the back. Looks like a 2-piece case. Let's check it out. Snug. We'll put it in here first. And lock in. We'll pop this in. There we go. Oh man, that is nice. Yeah, that's a nice fit. Oh, that's a good looking case. The camera bump's gone there. Hides that well. A little lip there. Here, let's check. Give me a second here. Let's do the ruler test. Give me a second. Okay, so here we go. So this material is a little rough. It's going to be a little tough to do the ruler test on that. It's going to kind of grab the bottom. Let's try it on this box here. Try and pass this under and see how much lift we have. Oh, we don't have much. You know, looks like it's pretty much, there's a very small lip there. It's raised very high. So it kind of goes all the way around it, but the screen itself is kind of recessed, so it's all around protection. So it actually works out pretty good. Anyway, so that's that. That's that case. I'm going to keep dragging this video on and on, but let's check out the kickstand. Nice. Lock it. Put it up there. Pretty nice. All right. Man, I might rock that case for a while. That is nice. Give me a second. I'll be right back with the others. Okay, I'm back, guys. Here we go. Next up is the Poetic Guardian. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let's check it out. Get in there. Okay. Alright. Let me get this off. There we go. Alright, so this one has a glass back. Well, plastic back, see-through. The double also. It's the same way. Pop this off. I always feel like I'm going to break these when I do that. Alright, so put it on this side first. Clip the phone in there. Alright. Snap this around. Alright. There we go. Get that off of there. Oh, that's nice. It's sharp. A little silver and black there. Got some protection around the camera. Bump's gone. check out how much lift we got here. Can we get this through? Oh, we got it. There we go. This one has a little bit more. Well, you know what? It's rocking a little bit though, so it's raising it up off of there. So case still got a little bit of lift though, a little more than the rest of it. So I mean, you still got your protection, drop protection. You still may want to get you a HD glass or a screen protector there. Tempered glass screen, that's what I was trying to say. So there we go. We'll be back. I'll be right back in a second with the other one. All right, here we go. So we got next up, Poetic Revolution. This company's really great with working with creators. I mean, my channel isn't big by any means, and they are very generous. They were able to send these out, and once again, I shout them out. The Poetic. Let's check out Revolution. Oh, okay. Oh, it's all black, sharp. Oh, this one has a kickstand too. Drop protection, little honeycomb pattern in there. So let's check this one out. Here we are. Put it in there. Can't tell you this, their cases have a lot of grip on them. I mean, you don't have to worry about dropping these. And if you do, you got that protection still, so there's that. Get this one on. Nice fit, just like the other ones. Oh, that's sharp, that's just all black. Nice. Camera gone, recess right there. Has a little bit more of a dip than the other cases. Cool design in the back. Got just kickstand there. Stand it up there. Watch your movie or whatever. And also I forgot, so here you go. There's a speaker and you have access to the S Pen there. I'm sorry, I forgot to show that on the other cases. But I mean, they're pretty much all the same. Nice access there, speaker there. Dust protection on your charge. USB Type-C charge, microphone. There you go. So I went over the 3 cases that they sent me. They're all really very nice cases. That's the Revolution, I have the Guardian, and the Spartan. And now, actually, you know what? I'm just bad. I'm horrible. So here are the volume up and down rocker. Got your customization button, your map button. You can map that pretty much to anything. They're all very clicky. And then every case has that. They're about the same on every case, so they're very nice. Up there. So there you have it. You got those cases. Very nice. All very nice. I think my favorite here is the Spartan though. I really like that case. Sharp. Has like a grayish, silvery, and black look. Very nice. So there we have it. This is V. I'm out.